Hey everyone, welcome back to another comprehensive review session. Today, we're diving deep into an evaluation of Wise. Introduction to the Wise app, your trusted companion for swift money transfers, iconic card designs, a versatile multi-currency account, and a plethora of other functionalities. While you may already be familiar with some aspects of Wise, join us as we embark on a journey to explore its comprehensive features together. We'll dive deep into the extensive functionalities of the Wise app, focusing on personal accounts to enhance your Wise experience. Exploring the homepage. Once you've logged in, the homepage becomes your gateway to a world of financial possibilities. Here, we'll unravel the various sections, from displaying your total balance to providing insights into recent transactions and current exchange rates. Join us as we navigate through each tab, uncovering the wealth of information and functionalities that the homepage has to offer. Wise Money Transfers. Renowned for its transparency and efficiency, Wise Money Transfers empower you to send funds globally with ease. In this chapter, process of initiating transfers to over 160 countries, highlighting key features such as mid-market exchange rates, low fees, and user-friendly steps. Whether you're sending money for personal or business purposes, Wise Money Transfers have got you covered. Managing balances and jars. Balances and jars serve as powerful tools for managing your finances effectively. In this chapter, we'll explore the differences between the two and discuss how you can leverage them to achieve your financial goals. From holding money for immediate spending to setting funds aside for future endeavors, balances and jars offer unparalleled flexibility and customization options. Wise Assets functionality. Unlock the potential of your idle funds with Wise Assets functionality. In this chapter, we'll introduce you to Wise Interest and Wise Stocks, two investment options designed to make your money work harder for you. Learn how to switch your balance or jar to interest and explore the world of stock market investments with confidence. With Wise Assets, the possibilities are limitless. Managing cards. Your Wise card is more than just a payment tool, it's your gateway to a seamless banking experience. Join us in this chapter as we explore the Card tab, where you can manage both physical and digital cards with ease. From adding funds to setting spending limits. Streamlining payments. In this chapter, we'll introduce you to a range of payment management features designed to simplify your financial transactions. Whether you're setting up recurring payments with direct debits or scheduling transfers for future dates, Wise has got you covered. Discover how these features can help you stay on top of your financial commitments effortlessly. Advanced account management. Take your Wise experience to the next level with advanced account management features. From switching between accounts to accessing customizable statements and reports, we'll show you how to personalize your Wise experience according to your preferences. Join us as we explore settings, privacy options, and security features to ensure your account remains safe and secure at all times. In conclusion, the Wise app offers a comprehensive and user-friendly platform for managing international money transfers and currency exchange. Its transparent fee structure, competitive exchange rates, and speedy transactions make it a top choice for individuals and businesses alike. Wise continues to set the standard for modern financial services in an increasingly globalized world. Don't forget to explore other informative videos on our channel and hit that subscribe button to stay updated. Until next time, happy banking!